I'm Darren Tuck. I'm a pre-construction manager for COEL. We were approached by this particular client to look at fitting out their new space in Kingfisher House, Norwich. They were moving from an older location just up the road. The brief was to create a space that was in harmony with the environment. It's by the River Wensum, so it's a very natural environment, natural outlook onto the river. It's very green. And the client wanted to create a space that was very relaxing and had a natural feel to it.
Initially walking into the premises, it was a white box, it was Cat A fit out. We walked through the premises with the client and just got an idea of what they would like to have seen in the area. The front facade of the river coming through was most important, and that being able to be seen from any place in the office. We reflected the design of the river and the water into the area by creating the breeze baffles above the round seating area. Over the desking area we had the wave baffles also to reflect the water and the waves of the water when the wind is blowing. We've introduced acoustic panelling. The acoustic panelling is the cell design from Allsfar. It reflects the water once again. So we tried to tie the company's ethos in with whatever we brought into the environment.
In the initial stages of the project, we'd work with the client closely to determine their requirements for the furniture within their space. That could be from pods, collaboration furniture, soft seating, meeting room furniture, through to desking, seating and storage which suits the client's needs for well-being and ergonomics. As part of the process, we'd always look to take the client down to London to show them the different types of furniture that's on offer. For this project specifically, we took them to manufacturers such as Frovey, Narbutus, Senator and Elite. This gave the client the opportunity to try the furniture that was eventually going to furnish their space.
I worked alongside Fiona to create renders of the space so that we could see how her beautiful design came to life in the space. Renders allow the client to visualise the end product and see how their space is going to look like with all the finishes that have been provided by the designer. This also allows the client to understand what they may or may not want to keep in the space, and we can adjust the renders to their request. So when creating the renders, it's important to consider scales so that it's a very realistic representation of how it's going to look. This allows the client to get a representation of the space and see the vision come to life.
To break up the office space, we brought in the tri-blade slide-in screens, which reflects the company's offshore wind turbine work. My favourite part of the project was working with the clients. They were open to all design suggestions. They were involved in the whole process of the project, selecting furniture, selecting colours, and it was wonderful to be able to work alongside them to bring this project to fruition.
Our design team have done a fantastic job with this space. They've delivered something that's really in tune with the built environment here that the client needs and the external environment, the natural environment outside of the building. It's a fantastic design. It's a very, very nice, quiet space to work in, but it's got lots of areas that you can go off to work on your own or collaborate with teammates. It's a fantastic design. They've really done a very good job for the client.